Namaste dosto, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something that affects each and every car owner in India. And since car sales have shot up like this, I'm assuming each one of you is or wants to be a car owner. So today we're talking about the real cost of maintaining a car on Indian roads. Whether you drive a Maruti, a Hyundai, a Tata, or a Mahindra, understanding maintenance costs will save you lakhs of rupees and prevent those frustrating breakdowns in bumper to bumper traffic. So let's dive in. First, let's understand the two types of maintenance that actually matter in India. The first is preventative maintenance. It is what you do before the problem occurs. Think of it like visiting the doctor before a serious illness occurs. The second is reactive maintenance, and that is fixing things after they break. The costs are significantly more and often leave you stranded in the middle of nowhere or during the monsoon season. For Indian cars, here are the typical maintenance costs. Oil change, 2 to 4,000 every 5 to 10,000 kilometers. Tire rotation, 400 to 1,000 rupees every 8 to 10,000 kilometers. Brake pad replacements, 1,500 to 6,000 every 30 to 40,000 kilometers. And sooner in city traffic. Air filters, 500 to 1,500 every 10 to 15,000 kilometers, and more frequently during the pollution season. And that is a native of Delhi and other metro cities. Regular maintenance isn't just preventing breakdowns, it's about protecting your investment. A well-maintained car in India can withstand our unique challenges: extreme temperatures, waterlogged road in monsoons, and our infamous potholes. Not all cars cost the same to maintain in India. Indian brands like Tata, Mahindra typically have more affordable parts than foreign manufacturers. Maruti Suzuki wins for the most economical spare part network in the country. Premium brands like Mercedes, BMW, and Audi can cost several times more for the same maintenance tasks due to imported parts and specialized centers. Your driving conditions dramatically impact your maintenance costs. Driving in stop and go traffic in Delhi, Mumbai, or Bangalore can wear out clutch plates and brakes quicker than if you're cruising on the highways. Location matters tremendously here. Tier 1 cities have higher labor rates but more authorized service centers. Rural areas have cheaper labor rates but might need genuine parts to be shipped in, causing delay and more costs. Another big Indian dilemma: authorized service center or a local mechanic. Which one should you choose? Let's find out. Authorized centers charge 30 to 50% more than their local mechanic counterparts, but offer warranties, genuine parts. Local mechanics are cheaper and the quality varies dramatically. Let's look at what common cars cost to maintain. New car, anywhere between 3,500 to 5,000 per year. 3 to 5 year old car, 5,000 to 10,000 per year. And 5+ year cars with no warranty, that can cost anywhere between 10 to 15,000 per year, given that you have maintained previous services. And if you have a premium/European car, the service costs are much higher, often several times of their Indian counterpart, depending on the model and make you have. Let's talk about the common road-induced repairs you might need. Suspension work after pothole damage, that's 3 to 15,000. Underbody protection, 2 to 8,000. Clutch replacement due to traffic conditions, 6,000 to 20,000. Radiator flush for overheating in summers, 1,500 to 3,000. So that timely 4,000 rupee preventative maintenance prevents a 75,000 rupees engine repair. Skip that 3,000 rupee belt replacement and you might face 1 lakh rupees in an engine rebuild. Let's talk about how do smart Indians prepare for these costs. Budget for maintenance, just like your EMI or fuel expenses. Most major manufacturers now have their own service apps, like Maruti Service App, My Tata, My Hyundai. Use these to track service history and get reminders. And I'll give you one uniquely advantageous tip for India. Find a trusted mechanic who understands both authorized service center protocols and Jugaadu solutions when needed. The best mechanics can tell you when official parts are needed and when you can skip on those and get the aftermarket options, which will work just fine. Indian automotive landscape is changing rapidly. Electric vehicles by Tata and Mahindra are raging right now and have 40 to 60% lower maintenance costs, with no oil change and fewer brake issues due to regenerative braking. Connected cars from MG, Kia, Hyundai are now using sensors and AI to predict maintenance needs. Your car can literally send you notifications on your phone when a service is required. With rising fuel prices, CNG and hybrids are also gaining popularity, but they have their own maintenance requirements. CNG kits need inspection every 3 years, which can cost a few thousand rupees here and there, while hybrids have a more complex system and typically need specialized service centers. Understanding and planning for maintenance costs is crucial for an Indian car owner, especially given our unique climate and road conditions. So, what has been your biggest expense on Indian roads? Drop down in the comments below. And if you found any part of this video helpful, do subscribe to Arthnova for more automotive tips on Indian conditions. Until next time, drive safe and maintain smart.